So now there is very important concept where to keep your stop losses. See, there are a lot of traders who say their stop loss gets hit often. And the reason for that is they have seen some random videos and there people say keep a stop loss of 10 points, 20 points, 30 points. Whenever the market is taking a pullback, their stop loss gets hit and the market starts its onward journey. The problem with these kinds of stop losses is they are not keeping any barrier or a shield. Please understand this with a simple concept. Imagine there is a soldier here and here is a soldier here and he is firing at the terrorist. What do you think? The soldier will stand in the middle of the ground, keeping a distance of 10, 20, 30 points, 50 points, whatever, and then he's shooting? No, this is a very risky place to stand. He will obviously, out of common sense also, will obviously take some shield from some rock or some wall or anything. And then he'll stand here, he'll shoot, he'll keep shooting, and then at the same time, he's taking a protection also. Same in trading also. When you are trading, you have to keep your stop loss somewhere where there is a shield. Let's see in this example. Market started going up. Here, somewhere here, we thought of taking a trade. Now, when we are thinking of taking a trade, where will you keep your stop loss? Will you keep 20, 30 points, 40 points, 50 points, whatever? No. Look for the nearest support or resistance. Whenever you see a support or resistance, calculate the distance between them, the points between them, and then your position sizing, calculate your quantity, and then get into the trade. We'll talk about position sizing later. However, when you keep your stop loss somewhere here, right, there is a high chance whenever the market is taking a pullback also, first it has to face the CPR. And there is a high chance the CPR will act as a support to the price action candle, and your stop loss will be protected this way. So keeping a stop loss with a protection is anyways a better plan than keeping 20, 30 points. Stop loss should always be kept behind some nearest support resistance. Always keep your stop loss shielded. Yeah.